Hey guys, I'm back. So this isn't really a goodbye per se, just a continuation. A part 2, a sequel. I need to stop. Anyway, so we're gonna see the result of the cupcakes I have made. Success! This looks awesome. Ah! It's hot. You guys should always use an oven mitten or an oven glove or mitt glove. I don't know what to call it, but always use this. Something that is shaped like this because it's safe for your hands so that they don't get burned. But anyways, now it's time for a taste test. All 4 of my family members are gonna taste the cupcakes, and they're gonna see what they think of it. Here is my sister Debbie. You can just stick it in. Wait, what?
Let me get.
Here you go. Oh no. What? Oh yes, a fork. That's what they use.
What?
I'm standing in its camera and it's glass.
Someone help me. Oh wait, this. Okay. Okay, I'm going to taste test his cupcake.
I know. I fear it won't be good.
Okay, let's taste test. Oh wow, it's hot.
One.
That's
Now-
a good one.
I'm really nervous.
Oh, okay, now let me just take.
Don't worry, David. I'm sure that she'll enjoy it.
Okay.
Daniel, go taste it.
Oh yeah, also, I also made another batch of 6 cupcakes, but I'm not gonna show it in this video because it looks like hot garbage. Seriously.
Okay.
It looks like it looks like it was made 20 years ago.
Is it hot?
Hey, don't be rude
Show it
to
to
that pair of Oh great, now I'm gonna have to show this batch. Bam! What? Orange. I don't know why I made this. This was the original batter I used, and it looks terrible. It looks like it was made 20 years ago, then was put in a cryogenic freezer,
Daniel, guys, talk about the.
and now it was lit at 1,000 degrees Celsius.
So
Daddy.
I really like this cupcake a lot. It's very nice. I like the vanilla flavoring. It's a little messy, maybe because of the milk. It's very crumbly, but overall, it's good. I give this an 8 out of 10. It's a good cupcake.